following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 9 o'clock p.m. At 7:04 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds to 40 knots 25 nautical miles southwest of Winthrop Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Wilmette Harbor around 7:50 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes.